it's Melanie Peake here from Royal LePage, Parksville-Qualicum Beach Realty. Today I'm going to go over the market stats for October 2020. Well, the leaves are falling today, but home prices in our area are not. We are still in a seller's market, so if you've been thinking of selling your home, now is certainly a good time to get your home on the market. As well, it will add some extra inventory to buyers who are out there actively searching. Last month, in October 2020, there were 77 single-family homes sold in all of Zone 5, and there were 84 active listings on the market, which was leaving us with just over 1 month market supply. So here are our stats for October 2020.
The general stats for all of Zone 5 for average sale price, the last 12 months to date for single family homes, $674,652, up 10%. When we look at the active listings over the units sold, we have just over a month of inventory in October, which puts us in a seller's market. For Parksville for October, the average sale price, $584,795, up 4%. For Qualicum Beach, the average sale price, $772,317, up 28%. For Nanoose, October 2020, average sale price of $721,071, up 39% compared to the year prior.
If you're a buyer in this market, you really need to have all your ducks in a row and be ready to write an offer when a home first hits the market. And if you're a seller, if you have any questions about listing your home, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 250-954-0100. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Melanie Peake with Royal LePage, Parksville-Qualicum Beach Realty.